morning everybody, and I wanted to update you on a few key matters. You'll be well aware of the government's decision earlier this week in relation to some extra restrictions to help protect against the further spread of the virus. I know this is a very difficult time for many people and many communities, but it is important that we get the balance right between keeping the economy going, keeping the society going, and indeed keeping our health services going. It's an important time for all of us to be key ambassadors to continue to promote all of the public health measures. Last week, you'll have seen a massive surge in the number of cases all across the country. We completed over 55,000 tests, which is the second highest that we've completed throughout this year during COVID, the highest being at 60,000 in the peak in April. I want to particularly thank all of our teams who've been working on outbreaks last week, particularly in the 3 counties impacted. Our public health teams have played a phenomenal role over the last few months, and specifically managing those outbreaks. I also want to thank all of the teams who've mobilised very quickly over the last week in our testing and tracing, extra community swabbing centres being put in place, our national ambulance services for pop-up centres, our scientists and our laboratories, and everybody involved in putting together our escalation plans and our contact tracing teams now move to 5 tracing centres from 1. We are finalising our plans and proposals to government in relation to our winter plan. This is going to seek extra funding to put in place a range of initiatives to protect the public and protect our services over the coming months. Finally, I hope many of you have had a chance to have a break for a holiday or a staycation, and I hope you've had a chance for some downtime with your family. And if you haven't, I hope you do have over the coming weeks. Thank you for everything you continue to do.